Remember how my car tipped?
Nah, this one won't tip. Anyway, so yeah, we got the rear trailing arm got out, guys. Oh, it's actually moving by itself.
Austin, the whole fucking jack lifted. The whole fucking jack lifted with the car. Alright, fuck it, let's go.
Fullest of sense. Alright, I'm gonna go in the back. Push.
Yeah, Huh? Yo, I'm not in front of the car, eh? I was on the fucking road.
Huh?
I just got back. What the fuck were you doing?
What?
I was on the road when you were fucking pushing.
I thought you were controlling it.
I said 1 second.
Oh, didn't hear you.
See, still lots to go. Slowly getting there, emptying out all of his garbage, putting it all in run. That's it. Also, if you guys need any E90 diffs?
Huh?
E90?
E92. No, sorry. E39.
E39 diffs. 2002?
2003 and 97.
2003 and 97, guys. The axles are gone because those are toast, but he's got parts. Ladies and gentlemen, he has parts. She's like completely filled, guys. All the straps are still pretty damn good. This one, just check it out. Yeah, alright, set up.
Gonna take pictures on property.
No?
No.
Guys, so back out of the garage, we're cleaning up this time. Pretty much just getting everything on this side swept, cleaned, and I'm hoping to get the Jetta in on this side. Gotta fix the power steering leak. I did hit a speed bump pretty gnarly with it, and if I'm gonna pull the rack and do all the subframe stuff, I'm gonna try to pull this front struts off, clean them up a little bit. I know they're quite rusted. I'm going to put the Jeep lift kit inside. So yeah, I'm going to be cleaning out this whole garage pretty much. Got seats, carpet, 2 motors, 2 transmissions, 3-man transmissions. A couple of them are I got some work to do on this stuff. I got some spare tires, mats, whole bunch of things. I like seeing the truck clean now, and I love seeing the truck clean. I took it to the cottage, got it muddy, and I cleaned it, and it was the best feeling ever. Like, my truck's clean. Like, anyways, coming home, of course, got it dirty, so I want to take it out and clean it again thoroughly, inside and out. I want to make the thing sparkle, you know. I miss looking at my vehicle spotless. It's white, so it does get dirty very easily. You can drive it down the road in the rain, that's dirty the next day. But I mean, I love it. I'm gonna miss it when it's gone, big time, you know. And yeah, I just want to clean that truck up, get it ready to go. Maybe get the new grill for it. Some things I gotta touch up. And yeah, get the Jetta in. I was trying to get more things done. Sadly, my ass fell asleep, so it happens, you know. Sleep in, don't get much done. Early bird gets the worm. So, peace, respect, have a good night, guys. What's up, guys? So, I'm back, and the Jetta's inside. Look at that. The floor's clean on one side. Man, my parents wanted this whole garage clean. Yeah, they got most of it, though. Anyways, so big plans for the Jetta now. We are gonna fix the power steering leak, lift it, and we're gonna get her out stanced. I got a little bit of body work to do still, right around here on the fenders. You know, as you can tell, he like scraped against something, so I take the wheel well off, smack it all out, roll it a little bit maybe, and give it some fresh paint. Of course, I'm doing this weird Walmart blue that I have. And yeah, I gotta clean up this. Like, that just really needs to be rubbed off. Just been too lazy to even clean the car, pretty much. And yeah, so we're gonna fix that, lift it, and put my 1.5" spacers and lug conversion on it. Maybe I will be trying to pick up a set of roof racks soon. Finish that off. I'm gonna fix the antenna because it's currently broken. Oh, and I'm putting the aftermarket radio inside of it. So it's a big week for the Jetta. Yeah, I'm excited. You know, we got the other car out, scrapped it. Couldn't record because that's their new rules. So, sucks, sorry. I actually might have a recording somewhere of the old one getting scrapped. But, so. Oh, another thing. I'm gonna do a trip all the way out to Guelph, from Canada's Wonderland to Guelph, this Saturday morning. Or yeah. So if anybody needs parts, you let me know. I'm on a lot of the GTA Volkswagen Facebook pages and stuff like that, Ontario Volkswagen parks and stuff. So I'm gonna be posting that up on there shortly. I'm also gonna be trying to get you guys some good shots of when I do my lift kit on the Jetta. I want to show you guys some like things that I've done, maybe some tricks that I learned. I'm going to try some different styles of lifting the fronts, because a lot of people remove the struts. I'm going to try to just keep them in place and do them as if they're there, like but I might be having to drop the subframe. So if I have to drop the subframe to fix the power steering rack, I would drop the subframe while taking the springs off, and then I'm hoping to compress the springs using the body itself and not really spring compressors. I have them sitting back up on the shelf there. Yeah, spring compressors and me don't go too well. You know, a lot of them just blow off. So I'd really not like to try it. I have some spare struts, right? So I was going to clean those up and paint them, but then I got the hub sensor, or the ABS sensor, snapped when I removed it. I was like, okay, yeah, not going to do that. It's just too much with that sensor. That sensor, whenever I try it, everyone that's a part of it breaks. Anyway, so Jetta's got a busy week. I'm excited for it. Lots of things to be cleaned up. A lot of things are going to be done, except for today. Today's going to be my one day. I'm going to go inside. I'm going to relax. Got to bring my dad's truck in, actually. Anyways, going to have some dinner, relax. I had a long day at work. Got to come out to the garage a little bit, clean it up. I'm excited to get this Jetta on the road immensely, you know. And the truck, oh, I love seeing it clean now. So, like I said, I gotta get that thing clean, man. It looks so nice when it's clean. But then it keeps raining, mudding. I gotta get away from the mud. Anyways, peace, guys. Have a good night. Like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Bye.